What's up guys, this is Delta Metric Fabricators. Thank you for your support, thank you for subscribing. Yeah, thank you for everything. If sio nyinyi, I think the support. So I'm going to take you to the tour. Kwa hii nini? I'm going to take to the tour. I know you can see the gate. I'm going to take you to the tour of this mansion. So kindly subscribe to our channel. Yeah, guys, nifikisheni 1000 subscribers. So manze, wacheni tufike 1000 subscribers. I hope you can see the compound. Coffee. Can see where I am. By the way, hii ni job yetu, hii ni job ya Delta. This is the job of the Delta.